Notifications play a vital role in every end user's smartphones like the iPhone. It notifies users for incoming calls, SMS/MMS, alarms, and more. Nevertheless, it helps user to trace unanswered calls, receive text messages, emails, and scheduled events. But what happens when notifications alerts fail to work as intended? In this video, I will show you how to fix iPhone X notifications not working. First solution, perform a forced restart. Minor software glitches may have caused the notifications to quit working after the latest iOS implementation. And the basic way in eliminating these glitches is by giving your device a quick and clean start. This method will also clear out junk files that have affected the audio system of the phone. Hence, a backup for your files is not yet necessary as this process won't cause any data loss. To reboot your phone using soft reset, follow these steps. Simultaneously press and hold the power, side, button and either volume button until the slide to power off command appears. Drag the power off slider to the right to shut down your device. After 30 seconds, press and hold the power, side, button and release when the Apple logo appears. Wait until your phone boots up completely, then send yourself a text message or call your own phone number using another phone to see if the notifications are already working. If not, move on to the next solution. Second solution, make sure Do Not Disturb is disabled. When Do Not Disturb feature is enabled, all calls and alert notifications received while the phone is locked will be muted. And an indication that this feature is currently active is that you'll see a crescent moon icon on top of your phone's status bar. However, there are times that your phone may think that it is still on DND mode even if it is not, especially if your phone is inflicted by an iOS bug. And this could happen after new iOS implementation. To rule this out, check and manage DND feature on your device by performing these steps. Go to Settings from Home. Scroll down to and tap Do Not Disturb. If it is currently on, toggle the switch to turn it off. Otherwise, toggle the switch on and off again to refresh its system. However, you can also customize DND settings if you wish to keep it active on a specific time frame. You can manage the DND settings through the control center of iPhone's menu settings. Then select the specific time frame to when you would like to activate this feature. Third solution, reset all settings on your iPhone X. There might be some values and options that were automatically altered after the iOS update that led your iPhone not to produce any notifications alerts. To ensure that erratic phone settings isn't the underlying cause, might as well restore your phone settings to default. This method will wipe out your current phone settings including those personalized or customized settings. But important files saved in your phone's memory will remain intact after the process. Here's what you need to do. From the home screen, tap Settings. Find and tap General. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and then touch Reset. Touch Reset all settings. If prompted, enter your security lock. Tap Reset all settings at the bottom of the screen, and then tap Reset all settings again to confirm. Your iPhone will reboot after this. Once it has finished rebooting, try to use the phone as you normally would to see if it still shuts down at some point. If it does, then move on to the next solution. Your phone will reboot automatically, and then loads the default values and options. By then, you can proceed to enable necessary features like Wi-Fi. You can also customize your phone's settings according to your preference. Just make sure not to enable any options that will conflict with the notifications alerts. I hope that this simple troubleshooting guide has been helpful. Please support us by subscribing to our channel and enabling notifications. Thanks for watching.